Okay. Okay. So.
קודם כל, רeden יידיש זך.
Okay, just listen.
The queen walks her last long mile. Weep a tear for Vashti, dear, sigh a bitter sigh. She has a serious complaint, she don't wanna die.
Mein Tate ist gewesen, eine mächtige Pan, hat sich mir verglust, a schicker Faraman. Meine Tate hat mich geworden, Niete, Tochter Niete, nem besser Faraman, dem Chrabje von a Liete. Hab ihm nicht gefolgt, hab ihm nicht gehört, jetzt dort tu ich liegen, nein, Eilen in der Hab ihm nicht gefolgt und jetzt tu ich bezogen, vernehmt mein Gewein, ihr Bergen, ihr Tod. Hab geprägelt eingemacht zu non-gefülltes Leues und jetzt muss ich verlassen meine lichtige Pakoyes. Meine lichtige Pakoyes mit meinem Meschnebecken, meine sametene Kleider mit meine Teieretten. Der Melech wird sich nehmen, ein jung, schöne Weib, und die werden mir verlassen, meine jung, schöne Leib. Meine junge, schöne Leben in meine junge Jahr, meine gildene Ringen, meine gildene Haar. Niete, Talie, Niete, mach noch nicht Nacht, bis ich will nicht hab, hat schön wohl noch gelacht.
Azoi tanet die Malke Vashti mit a bitter Gewein, wo sie muss so jung von der Welt weggehen.
Okay. So,
Can I ask a question?
yes, you can.
What is a club lead?
Plug is a lamentation.
Oh,
complain.
okay,
She's lamenting. She's singing her lamentation.
okay.
What does a lamentation mean?
Laments. She's sorry that she don't want to die.
Oh, I thought a clug is like a curse, a clug us there.
Okay, Marif, can you start reading the English, please?
Some years ago, we listened to Das Lied von dem Läufer, the Song of the Messenger, the opening song of the 1965 musical production of the Megillah Lieder,
The
Megillah Lieder, which exhorts the audience, Seid ze Jiden scha und still. Jews, do be quiet. In 1930
It's an impossible thing.
Het helfen via Teutenbankjes.
Yeah, seid ze Jiden scha und still. Seid ze Jiden scha. Okay.
In 1936, Itzik Manger had reworked the Megillah's Esther, one of the 24 Sforim of the Tanakh. Instead of ancient Persia, Manger set the story in 1930s Poland, which involves Fastregosa, an apprentice tailor and member of the Tailors' Union. He loves Esther and hopes to elope to Vienna to marry her. But after Achashverosh has Vashti executed, Esther jilts Fastregosi and marries the king.
Boo.
Yeah. Okay, go on.
Munger had himself worked as a tailor, as had his father and mother. He was born in Chernowitz and attended both the Cheder, the public Staatsgymnasium, state secondary school. He also lived in Yasi,
Yashi.
Yeah.
Yash. That's
served
okay.
in the Romanian army, moved to Warsaw, then Bucharest, Paris, London, and finally New York.
No, that's not right. Finally, Israel. He died in Israel. He lived
Oh,
11,
okay.
11 years in Israel. He lived.
Ah,
Okay.
okay. He published a literary journal. He gave public readings and recited his poems from memory. He also lectured in Romanian, Yiddish, and Roma ballad traditions. Ooh. He wrote dozens of poems and songs in Yiddish.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Henrietta, can you continue?
Yeah. In 1965, Dov Seltzer set Munger's Megillah to
Megillah.
music, and Sholem Bunyan directed the first production of the Megillah of Itzik Manga in Israel. It also played on Broadway, directed by Mike Burstein, who also acted in the production. And here, Vashti, played by Eleanor Risa, laments her immediate execution.
Okay. So, Elaine, can you start?
Yes.
Good.
Weint die Malke Vashti mit a bitter gewein. Vashti the queen is crying with a bitter lament. Was sie muss so jung von der Welt weggehen, that she must die so young. Mein Tata is gewesen a mächtiger Pan. My father was, I think, an influential nobleman, not sure.
Yes, powerful. Yeah.
Powerful, okay. Hat sich mir verglust a schicker for a man. But I coveted, that word I had to look up. I coveted for me a drunkard for a husband.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, or I
Okay.
wanted a, okay. Mein Tata hat mich
Just a moment, just a moment. Let me change. Okay. Okay, go on.
Okay, mein Tata hat mich gewarnt, Nitte Tochter, Nitte. So my father warned me, is it Nitte? No?
It's
No,
Nito.
don't do it.
Don't
No,
do
no, daughter, no. Nem besser far a man dem Kravia von Lita. Better to take for a husband a count from Lithuania. Hab ihm nicht gefolgt. Hab ihm nicht gehört. I didn't obey him. I didn't listen to him. It's there to ich liegen, nein, eln ich dreht. Now I'm lying 9 cubits in the earth. I had to look these words up. 9
Yeah.
cubits in the earth.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Elaine.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, Steve, can you continue?
It's a bisschen schwer, oder ich will proof.
Probier, ja.
Ich habe ihm nicht gefolgen. It's there to ich batson. I did not mind him, listen to him,
Didn't obey him.
obey him, and now I can't remember what soul.
I
Paying.
have to pay.
I am paying.
And now I'm paying. Yeah,
I
paying.
have to
Okay.
pay.
Vernemmt mein Gewein, ihr Berg und ihr Tollen. and overtook my my being. It overtook my being.
Yvain is weeping. She's
Oh,
addressing,
Voinen. Okay, Voinen.
she's addressing the hills and the valleys. Listen to my weeping,
Right.
you hills and you valleys.
Right. Okay. You know what? Let somebody else read. I'm not going to do this well.
Okay.
I'm going to take a pass.
Okay, no problem. Rochelle, can
Okay.
you?
Hab geprägelt,
Yes.
eingemacht und eingefielt die Schloyes.
That I knew.
I fried and I preserved the eingefleet, I don't know, I can't get the rest of it.
Ungefähr is I filled the jars.
Yeah, but it's geprägelt. right?
Yeah, I
Right, yeah, I
fried.
cooked. I
right?
cooked.
Yeah, I
Oh,
fried, yes.
fried.
I fried eingemacht is preserves.
Yes.
Damn.
I preserved and ungefüllt die Schloyes. Schloyes, I didn't know, jars, okay.
Yeah.
Jetzt muss ich verlassen meine lichtige Faktories. I assume it means now I have to leave my my lichtige light work.
Factorious, my rooms. My
Rooms.
beautiful-
Okay,
yeah,
my
bright-
light, my bright
room.
lit rooms.
Okay. So just a moment. I see that Rafael. Yeah, Rafael.
Yeah, you might wonder why you fry
Yeah.
jelly. And the answer is preglen means either to cook with oil or to cook with honey. And so this means to reduce the fruit using honey in the pan. And that's one way, I guess, of making jelly. So ich hab gepregelt eingemacht, I prepared jelly or jam.
Preserve.
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, because I
Thank
was
you.
wondering why preglen. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and
Okay.
I just wanted to, in that line, vernemts mein Gewein, the samach vernemts mein Gewein, ihr Berg und ihr Ton. I think it's a Warsaw dialect, like when they say, Hotz a gute Nacht, gits mir, that vernemts, I think is a local Warsaw dialect.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That's what I
Can
think.
you translate that as embrace?
Well, it's listen or take in my
Yeah. Embrace.
my weeping. Yeah.
Okay, Morty. Yeah.
Yeah, Refuel may correct me, but I've always heard this type of ending as a normal part of Yiddish. Farnems meaning that you should take in or you should take up my whatever. In this case, my cry.
Right. It is. It's an imperative.
sorrow,
It's just that
taken
the
from
samach is unusual.
But I don't think it's only Varshaver.
I may be
I-
wrong. That's I have a vague memory, like gets me.
No, but because I've heard that composition many
Okay.
times, and nobody in my family was from Warsaw.
Okay. Maybe they heard it on TV.
Yeah, I agree here with Maurice that the usual standard would be farnem in the singular, farnemt in the plural imperative. And when you have farnemts, that s ending is a dialectical imperative plural. Although I'm not sure it's only Warsaw, it certainly applies in Warsaw.
And you're all free to speak that way if you want to.
Okay, Rochelle, go on.
Okay, meine lichtige Farkoyes mit die meschene Betten. My light-filled rooms with the something kinds of bed. I don't know what meschene.
Brass.
Brass, with the brass beds. Die sametene Kleider mit die Teiere Hetten, the velvet dresses, clothes with the expensive Hetton jewelry?
Well, here, I mean, it's not in the dictionary, and I could only guess that it's a Yiddishized hats, although
Okay,
why, I mean, he was writing in Poland in 1936, maybe it was some kind of a fashion statement to, instead of using the word for hats, he used the English word. I don't know.
okay, I don't either.
Yeah.
Der Melech wird sich nehmen a jung, schön Weib. The king will take for himself a young, beautiful wife. Und die Wärme wollen essen mein jung, schön Leib. And the worms will eat my young, beautiful body. Woo.
Okay. Thank you, Rochelle. Barbara, yes, Barbara. You're
So
muted.
I just had an idea with regard to Hetton, and I'm reading into it. I think he's being sarcastic here, and I think he may be referring to the tiaras of the royalty, because I mean he's bringing some kind of modern thinking into this piece for the sarcasm, whatever. So so that's what so he says
Right,
Hetton, but
I think if it were he who was saying it, then I would tend to agree with you. If the narrator was saying about her, but she's
Yeah.
singing about herself. So,
Okay.
you know, I don't think she'd be making fun. Here she is lamenting, she's gonna lose this, she's gonna lose that, she's gonna lose everything that she values. So I don't think she would be making fun of herself.
Okay.
But it
Okay.
was a good idea.
But thank you, though. Appreciate it.
Okay, so let's go on. Benjamin, can you read Yiddish? Benjamin, you are muted, so unmute yourself. Can you read?
Ja,
Okay.
Nite, Tallinn, Nite,
Italian.
Italien, Nite, komm noch nicht zu gehen. Nite must be the name for the lady, Tallinn, Nite.
No, Nita is don't. It's don't. Do not. She's talking.
Oh,
She's
Nite,
addressing the
Nite.
executioner. She's telling him not to come.
Nicht zu kommen, ja. Nicht zugehen. Lass mich noch ein Rega mit mein Beitrag allein. Lass mich to be by yourself with something probably must to don't feel it good, or you have something what you don't like it in the way.
Right.
Lass mich noch ein
Yeah.
Rega mit zu vergnügen. So give it the time to be happy. Mein Jung, schön, leben tov, mir sehen Bank. Mein Jung, I am
Young.
young. Yes, I am schön, leben tut, mir sehen Bank. Ich bin als so jung, young, and I stayed with the silver bank is more, yeah. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you, Binyamin. But just
I-
a moment. But Maurice will translate it again because some words were not translated. Okay. So
Okay.
just he will fix those some words. Okay, Maurice.
Okay, so nicht Italian, nicht komm noch nicht zu gehen. Do not come, executioner, don't come now. Lass mich noch rege mit mein Weitig allein. Leave me alone for another second with my pain, my suffering.
My pain, yeah.
Right. Lass mich noch rege mit den Sonn vergang. Leave me another minute with the sunset, the sun going down. Mein jung schön Leben tut mir sehr bang. Bang is regret, or she's very sorry about her own beautiful young life.
Okay, so let's continue. Aida, can you read, Aida? I saw that you joined us today.
Yeah, for a little while because I have an appointment
Okay.
at 12:15. I can read, but I don't know what I'm reading, okay?
Okay, Maurice will translate, but just read.
Okay, mein jung sein Leben und meine jungen Jahr. Meine gildene Ringen und meine gildene Haar. Niete Talis, Niete, mach noch nicht Bacht. Bis gewählt nicht haben hat in Moll gelacht.
Okay, thank you. So Maurice will translate, please.
Okay, mein jung schön Leben und meine junge Jahr, my young beautiful life and my youth, meine gildene Ringen und meine gildene Haar, my golden rings and my golden hair. Nitte Italien, nitte, mach noch nicht Nacht. Don't, executioner, don't let it be night. Don't let the night come yet. Bis will nicht haben.
Okay, I'll get the key later and lock the door.
Bis will nicht haben hat einmal gelacht. Not until I've laughed one more time.
Okay, and I think that's the last one. Nili, can you read?
Yes. Azoi wenn die Malke Vashti mit a bitter gewinn. So does the Queen Vashti cry with a very bitter.
She cries bitterly, yeah.
Bitterly, yes. like a Jewish princess.
Okay, but she. Nili, you muted yourself.
Yes.
Go on, there is another
Oh,
line.
I don't have, that's right. Was sie muss also jung von der Welt awaken again. What does she want more from a young world to?
No.
No?
Maurice, help her out, please.
Was sie muss so jung von der Welt weggehen, that she must leave this world so young.
So yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Oh, nice picture.
Thank you.
Michael found a really nice picture. Okay, so let's listen to it once again. And this time I'll try to mute you all. I'm muting you all.
The queen walks her last long mile. Weep a tear for Vashti, dear, sigh a bitter sigh. She has a serious complaint, she don't wanna die.
Mein Tate ist gewesen, eine mächtiger Pan, hat sich mir verglust, a schicker Faraman. Meine Tate hat mich geworden, zu Niete, Tochter Niete, nem besser Faraman, dem Chrabje von a Niete. Hab ihm nicht gefolgt, hab ihm nicht gehört, jetzt dort tu ich liegen, nein, Eilen in der Hab ihm nicht gefolgt, und jetzt tu ich was soll, vernehmt mein Gewein, ihr Bergen, ihr Tor. Hab geprägelt eingemacht zu non-gefülltes Leues, und jetzt muss ich verlassen meine lichtige Pakoyes. Meine lichtige Pakoyes mit meinem Mäschenbecken, meine Samen. schöne Kleider mit meine Teiere. Der Melech wird sich nehmen, a jung schöne Weib, und die werden mir verlassen, meine jung schöne Leib. Meine junge schön Leben in meine junge Jahr, meine gildene Ringen, meine gildene Haar. Niete, Talie, Niete, mach noch nicht Nacht, bis ich verstorben, hat schön mal noch gelacht.
Azoi tane die Malke Vashti mit a bitter Gewein, wo sie muss so jung von der Welt weggehen.
Okay. So, does anyone have anything to say, comment? I muted all of you, so when you want to say anything, unmute yourself.
Wer ist gewesen die Sängerin?
Eleanor Reiser?
Aha, okay.
Any more questions, comments?
What is a Pikes?
Parkoyas is rooms.
Lichtige Pikes.
Parkoyas is rooms.
Huh? Huh?
Pakoyes, Nili, Pakoyes.
מה זה פקויס?
He said, listen, rooms, חדרים.
חדרים? Wow.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, anyone else, guys? Yeah, Maurice.
Yeah, I just wanted to point out, for me, the word nitte is, I mean, I've seen it in print, I've read it, but I never heard my parents use it. And I'm wondering how common it was, because, I mean, it doesn't look Hebrew Aramaic. It doesn't look Germanic. Does anybody have some ideas what it might come from, nitte?
Morty, I see Morty. But like I said, all of you are muted, so when you speak, unmute yourself.
Actually, no. To me it was a surprise also, because I'd never heard it.
No, I never heard
Anybody
it.
in my family or any people
Right.
who with whom I had contact who spoke Yiddish.
Right.
Never heard that word. But there was something else to say. Even though the this lead, which was written by Itzik Manger, didn't sound very funny. Apparently the whole sketch, the whole thing was funny. And just by chance this morning, I listened to a speech by Itzik Manger at the many years ago at the Jewish Public Library in Montreal. And he said that the crown of the Jewish literature was Sholom Aleichem, because just like in Britain, in English literature, the crown is Shakespeare with his tragedies and ballads. In Yiddish, the crown is Sholom Aleichem, because humor was what the Jews could fill into literature with the type of life that they had.
Okay. But
Okay, yeah.
did he say where the word nitte comes from?
I never heard it too, but maybe it's Romanian Yiddish.
Oh,
That's my feeling. It was, first of all, I think it's related to knit, not.
Yes.
But
no.
I always felt that the dialectical words he used were from his region of Chernovitz.
You never know.
So, because he grew up, and the tailor is supposed to live in his region, no?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, let's see, Rafael, you have an idea?
Yeah, I have found that nita is an extremely useful word. And when I speak to my kids, especially when they were young and I wanted to say, don't do that, I would say nita. Maybe I got it from this, who knows? But it strikes me that it's nit to, do not. And then spoken quickly, nita, but I'm not sure of the etymology.
Sure. And Right, and knit too is the it's not the normal word order. It would be two knit or
To
two
knit,
is
yes.
knit. But
Good.
so
Good.
maybe it's Manga's idea of how Persians talk.
How Persian Yiddish is, yes.
The only thing
Okay.
I must say, I didn't find that whole thing. I found it very sad, not funny at all.
Yeah, but the whole Megillah is funny.
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
That's
it's a sad song, except that she's
sad.
so
And
obviously
it's sad.
what do you call it? She's just worried about the things she's leaving behind, and she
very
seems so obsessed with her own beauty. It's kind of
Yeah.
she's kind of a shallow girl.
Why
let's say.
didn't he want her actually if she was so beautiful and everything? Why did he want? Because she was late for a date?
No. The story of the Megillah. You have to go back to the story of the Megillah. He found the younger one, Cookie.
Younger. She
Found
was
the
already
younger.
an old lady,
He
21.
had a thing about Jewish girls,
Yeah. Mariv, yes, Mariv.
Folksbean did the whole Megillah, I think it was a year ago, which then they took down. You can't watch it now, but watch for it. They did the whole thing,
Yeah.
all the way through.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, if you don't have any more, so we will go back to another discarded family, to another man that is leaving his family behind. So let's see.
What's hers?
Okay, and we are them talk. So the story is about someone that sees a picture of a man in the column of the forward, so of the verschwundene man, and he sees him while he's walking, taking his daily walks. And at the beginning, he doesn't approach him, but then finally, after he reads another appeal by the wife and that she wants him to come back and that the child is asking for him to come back, he's approaching him and asking and talking to him. And I think that's where he wants an explanation. Why he moved out, why he moved out of the house, and why he abandoned his family. And I think we will get here some of the explanation, them talk. So Karen, can you start reading?
Dem Tag hab ich mit ihm mehr nicht geredet. This day I didn't speak with him anymore. Wir haben sich aber getroffen. Tag ein, Tag aus. We, however, met with each other day after day. Ich hab auf ihn nicht angewiesen und hat aufgehört, Meure zu haben von mir. I didn't I'm not sure. I didn't show him anything and he
No. Einwiesen. I didn't, it's kind of, I didn't read on him, tell on him.
Oh, I didn't, I didn't, yes, I
didn't point the finger to him. I don't have the word in English, so.
Inform. I didn't inform.
I didn't inform, that's it, you see?
And, oh, thank you. And he stopped being afraid of me. Mir pflegen sich begegnen wie guter alter Bekannter. We used to greet each other like good old acquaintances und verführen Gesprächen wegen alles, and we engaged in conversations about all things in the world. Nur nicht wegen sein Freu mit die Kinder, but not about his wife and children.
Karen, just a moment. Yes, Marsha?
Another word would be tattle. I didn't
Okay.
tattle on him.
Okay, yes. Yes, thank you. Okay, Karen, go on.
Es hat sich herausgewiesen, it turned out, also wie sein Gesicht hat Edes gesagt auf ihm, als ist sehr ein intelligenter younger man. It turned out, like his face suggested, that he was a very intelligent young man, belesener, a cultivated, educated man.
I think it's also well read, no?
Well read, yeah.
Someone that is reading a lot.
Well read.
Well read, yeah.
Thank you. Und hat mir noch mehr verinteressiert. And he was and he was to me I think even more interesting.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. I found him more interesting. Yes.
Und einmal, wenn ich habe in die Zeitung wieder gelesen, herzreißender Annonce wegen die kritische Lage von sein Frau mit ihr Kinder.
Okay, translate because it's a very long sentence.
Yes, and once when I once again in the newspaper read about the critical situation of his wife and his children, habe ich beschlossen zu verführen mit ihm Gespräch, und I decided to engage in a conversation with him und wie weit möglich mit Guten zu wirken auf ihm, with the distant possibility that to have a good effect on him. Soll zurückgehen zu sein Familie und wieder sich einspannen in dem Chomet rein schleppendem Joch von Leben, and with the remote possibility that he would return to his family and once again hitch himself up to the horse collar and drag the burden of life, of living.
Mhm.
Was hat also actionsendig von sich abgeworfen, that the burden of life that he had stubbornly thrown off.
Good. Thank you.
Wow, that is tough.
Yeah. Thank you, Karen. Rafael, can you continue? Any question until
Yes.
now? Any comments?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Barbara,
Good.
yes.
So there's a word, I haven't been looking up words this week. So, in the top of the page, 182, in the Chumut, is that right?
Kamut,
Chumut. Please tell me the
horse
meaning.
collar.
Oh, that's the horse collar? Okay.
Yeah, that's the horse collar.
Thank you.
That's the what?
Horse collar.
A
Yes,
horse
Karen.
collar.
Karen did say that. Yeah,
Yeah.
she said the word. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay,
And
so
Jochen,
Rochale,
Kannst mir hören?
Rochale,
Kannst mir hören?
yes, yo.
Okay, Shalom Aleichem. Ich bin ein bisschen vermischt, weil Tomer, ich habe gut verstanden, sie lässt in Zeitung, sie redet mit ihm, und sagt, das ist nicht Emes, das hat nichts zu tun mit ihm. Sie fängt
No,
an
no,
zu
no,
reden
no,
mit ihm,
no,
und
no,
sie gleicht
no.
ihn.
No, he doesn't say it. Sucht nicht, dass es nicht MS. Nein. Sucht, dass
Aber
es
was
MS.
gesucht?
Das ist er.
Ah, das habe ich verspielt, okay.
Okay?
Okay, weil ich nicht
You are very... We cannot hear the whole sentence, Rochale.
She's on the plane.
Rochale.
Verstanden, תודה.
Okay. Luisa?
Yeah, I just have a question. I think my question is the word yoke in that same top, is it the yoke of his life?
Yoke of life, yeah.
Yoke of life.
Thank you.
Okay, Marsha?
Was meint actiondick?
Stubborn.
Actionistic.
Actionistic, stubbornly. Okay, Marsha? Elaine? Elaine, unmute yourself.
That same word, actionistic. What is the little the apostrophe between the sub and the
Between the
dal?
taf and the dalet.
It's Hebrew.
I'm sorry?
Okay, Rafael will answer, please.
This is an older form of orthography, where if there's a word that has both a Semitic and a Germanic component, they're separated by an apostrophe. And it's helpful, although that's no longer done. So akshanas is Hebraic, dik is Germanic. And so together, akshanistic as one word with a separator just to show you where one ends and the other starts.
Thank
You're
you.
wonderful. Thank you.
Thank
Well,
you so much. Thank you.
Okay, so if no one is asking anymore, so Rafael, please start.
Das Mal.
Sorry, I see Luisa. Just a moment, yeah.
Yeah, I have a question to Rafael on that. Wouldn't it be that the reason is that the taf from the Hebrew word akshanut, which in Yiddish becomes a samach, and the apostrophe comes before because they cannot actually write the samach that is actually pronounced? Because
No, the word akshanis by itself would just be spelled without any apostrophe. The apostrophe is not meant to modify the sof, it's meant to separate.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Marsha? Marsha? You're muted, we cannot hear you.
Sorry, my husband, Allah Shalom, used to call sometimes the kids when they were bad, he'd call them an action. Does action come from that word?
Yeah.
Same word.
Yeah. But it's stubborn, it's not something bad. I don't know.
Oh, maybe stubborn. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe his family came from Romania. Do you think that's the area? Maybe. I'm not sure.
Okay, we don't know. Okay, now let's Rafael read.
Das Mal, als ich habe ihm gewiesen die Zeitung mit der treuriger Annonce, this time when I showed him the newspaper with this sad announcement, is nicht so aufgebracht geworden wie früher. He wasn't so annoyed as before. Es hat sich bemerkt in ihm schon längst a Verlang, auszureden sich vor mir. There appeared in him already, finally, this längst is a very Germanic thing, finally, and a desire to speak with me, to talk it out with me. Hat die Annonce durchgelesen mit Herzklappen. He read the announcement with thudding heart. How's that?
With what?
With his heart beating heavily. I think that must be a misprint, the next word. I would expect it's unreut geworden, and he became red. Dennoch bleich, and then he became pale. Verstellt sich die Augen mit die Hand, he covered his eyes with his hands. Und on a Seite verbeugen dem Kopf, and he bent his head off to one side. Ich hab sich abgedreht von ihm, kedei ich soll ihm nicht stören. I turned away from him so that I wouldn't interfere with him. Plötzlich hat ausgedreht sein Kopf zu mir und macht zu mir so. Suddenly he turned his head back to me and he said to me as follows. Ihr meint doch gewade, als ich aber so versteinert Herz. You must think, of course, that I have such a stony heart, was mich art nicht meine Kinders gewähn, that the crying of my children doesn't bother me. Nein, azoi mein ich nicht. No, that's not what I think. Gewiss hat sich getroffen mit euch oder mit eurer Familie an äußergewöhnliche Passierung. This is the narrator speaking. No, I didn't think that. Certainly something must have happened with you, with your family, some unexpected or unusual event. Was hat euer Herz also versteinert, that caused your heart to become so like stone? Ihr meint a Tragödie, a dritte Person reingemischt sich. You mean some sort of tragedy or a third person who got involved. Mein Freund oder ich ungetreu geworden. Maybe you think that my wife or I were unfaithful. Ja, schuckel ich mit dem Kopf. Yeah, I nod my head.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Rafael. Beverly, can you continue?
Wait, are we at ja?
9. We are in 9.
Nein. Nicht von die alle Sachen. No, not from all of these things. I guess. Kein bro. Äußergewöhnliche.
Outstanding.
Oh, Dave says it's outstanding. Passierung hat sich. Oh my God! Wait, what happened? Passierung hat sich in mein Familie nicht getroffen. No, not an outstanding happening. It didn't happen. It's like all negative.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't happen. An outstanding event did not happen in my family. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Outstanding or unusual.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, unusual happening. Hat sich not. It did not happen.
Mm-hmm.
Das was. Oh, das was ist geschehen zwischen mir und mein Freund. Geschät. That's word I don't. Geschät.
It's from geschehen.
I don't know that.
Occurred.
By
Happens.
90% von die Porlach was haben Chasana. What happened with my wife happens 90% of people that get married, or it doesn't? have-
Porolech is couples.
Couples.
The couples that get married. Nur andere haben öfter kein Zeit nicht oder willen sich, oh, here we go with a long sentence, allein nicht abgeben. So it says, but others, they don't want to give up.
No, they don't have time.
Oh, they don't have
Oder
time.
אפשר kein Zeit nicht. Maybe they
Yeah,
don't have
They
time.
have time, or they want to
They
knit
don't
up.
want.
They don't. I see with it. Oh yeah, knit abgeben.
Din v'cheshbon.
What
Din
din
v'cheshbon.
v'cheshbon von sehr leben, or they don't want to give. What is din is a court,
Din
right?
v'cheshbon is din v'cheshbon.
Take account of their.
They don't want to take
account, yeah.
stock. They
Don't
don't want
take
to,
account of their life.
right.
Ich hab give up.
They-
Is with a good gimel, both gimmels.
Yes, it's with a gimel. Yeah, both gimmels.
Gewagt reinzugucken in dem Leben von heutigen jüdischen Arbeiter. I wanted to look into the life of today's Jewish workers by uns in America, by us in America. Und ich glaube, and I believe, wenn andere wollten das getan, I believe that if other people did that, wollten sie gehandelt also wie ich. If other people did that, they do what I did.
Yes.
Was is geschehen? The guy says, and what happened?
Okay, thank you, Beverly. And
Sure,
before we
sure.
continue, Luisa, yes.
Yeah, thank you. Can we go back to the prior sentence where it says that maybe people did not have the time? Would it be the time nor the will? Or how do you translate that sequence?
It's not,
Oder willen sich allein.
but they don't want themselves to give an account of their life.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so everything's clear until now, guys? Okay, so Susan, go on. Gornit.
Gornit is geschehen. Nothing happened. Nor betracht gut mein Leben. But take a good look at my life. Nicht mein Leben in shop by der Arbeit. Not my life as a worker in the factory. Dus
shop.
Shop, sweatshop.
Sweatshop, well, yes, it's sweatshop. Dus is a Sach für sich, gur mein Privatleben. This is something by itself that's completely from my private life. Bei mir is der Familie, wenn ich komm schon heim von der Arbeit. By me, it's the family. When you come home, the important thing, I believe he's saying for him, is the family when I come home from work.
Just a moment, Susan. So I see that Rafael wants to add something.
Yeah, it's not Gore, it's Nor mein Privatleben. So
Nor mein.
It wasn't what happened at work, it was something in my private life.
Private life. Yeah, the private life when he comes home from work.
When I come home from work, that okay.
Yes.
Das ist doch die ganze Bezahlung für dem ganzen Tag schweren Job. This is the payback for the whole day of hard work. Being with his family is the payback for the hard day of work. But tracht es gut. Take a good look. Think about it. Betracht mein Leben und mein Vaters Familienleben. take a good look at my life and my father's family life. Und ihr werdet verstehen, and you will understand. Ich hab
just a moment, because I see that people are asking. Elaine?
Yeah, I wanted to ask about betracht. Isn't tracht to think?
Yeah, think about it good. Think good
Think
about
it over. Think it over.
Oh, okay. So it could, okay. So it's just a matter of the semantics. She's saying.
Think it over. Take a good look at it. That's what.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Rochelle?
Is he saying about his father's life, or is he saying my life as a father?
No, his father's life as well.
His father's life as well.
But
Okay.
he wants to compare it to his father's life.
Okay.
Yeah, he
Luisa?
says mine footers,
Yeah.
my
Yes.
fathers.
Okay.
Isn't that expression the Latin expression for pater familias, like the leader of the family?
That's what I thought, like his.
No, not in this
No,
case.
No.
Okay.
Not here,
No.
because he's about to tell his father's story, so.
Yeah, it will follow. His father's story will follow, and then he will compare it to his own life.
Thank you.
Okay, so Susan, go on, please.
Ich hab Hasene gehabt. Hebt der junger man. I got married, the young man begins. Mit a treurigen, niedergeschlagenem Ton. I got married with a sad, depressed tone. Wie alle andere heintige junge Leute. Ois Liebe. Like all the other young people of today, not having to do with love. Is that?
Without love.
Without love. Mein Vater ist in kleinem Städtel dort in der Heim, hat nicht Hasene gehabt, aus Liebe. My father in the little Städtel there in our home also didn't get married for love. Ich gedenk wie mein Mama, a Kranke, welche is opgelegen ihr ganze Leben im Bett. I remember my mother was a sick woman who spent her whole life lying in bed, flaked, zeitweise lachen, ois mein Taten. She would on the side be laughing at my father.
No, zeitenweise sometimes.
Zeitweise sometimes be laughing at my father. Wenn is heimgekommen von Mark, am Nieder, schleppendig die Säck, when he would come home from the market, all tired, dragging his sack, his pack mit weights, with wheat. Hat sich doch gedungen mit den Taten wegen Naden. She argued, or she bargained.
He argued.
She argued with my father about Naden.
He argued, her husband, she says, he
argued
with the father.
Hat sich doch
She's referring to her husband.
Arguing about Naden. Hat gekriegen Naden meine kranke Fies. He got Naden for because he probably got a break on Naden because I had problems.
No. He got as a Naden the sick feet. His Naden was the sick feet.
She's poking fun at him. She says that as a Naden, he got her sick feet.
He got for his Naden a scheine Naden, some Naden. Wus mein Vater hat nicht.
No, just leave it here just a moment. Thank you. Thank you, Susan. I see that people are asking, Rafael?
Yes, I would say that ois here does not mean on, it does not mean without. It means because of. It's again kind of Germanic. Chasne gehat ois liebe, married for love, is how I would translate. And so he says, I got married for love, just as people do these days. Yeah, that's my comment.
Okay, thank you. Rochelle?
No, sorry.
Your end is up, yeah. Okay, Elaine?
The word nodden, can you explain it?
Nodden is a
Dowry.
dowry, a nedunya.
Oh, a dowry.
It's a
Okay.
dowry.
Okay, didn't know that.
Okay, Beverly? Beverly?
It says Eisliebe, not Raphael said, I got married for love. No, I got married Eis, love.
It's without.
No,
Without,
he would say unliebe if it was without. I'm
Oh.
almost certain that here the ois is not a standard Yiddish, but more of a Germanic way of saying I got married for love.
Oh, interesting.
But it says ot nit chasne gehat.
Right.
Okay. So, Luisa?
Yeah, I also read it as he did not because of the need but my other question is, wasn't his own father arguing with his father-in-law about the dowry? Isn't that what he's reminiscing?
That's what the mother is reminiscing.
Yeah, the mother is reminiscing that her husband is fighting with his father-in-law because of the dowry.
Yeah, that, there was a Masao Matan, there was an
give and take.
Yeah, there was a give and take about the dowry.
But also, his father is being asked to marry this woman who can't walk. That's why they're arguing about the dowry.
No.
That she became ill later. She's just poking fun at him. She became ill later.
Okay.
Morty, yeah.
Yes. First, the Beinfeld, and I didn't know this, but the Beinfeld also says that ois in this case would means out of. So the translation would be that he married out of love, not without love, but because of love.
Because of love.
Now, Rafael stands corrected. Rafael is right. Rafael is right.
Yeah, he is. So, but just to clear up this, it's a little involved. What is happening here is, first of all, the guy who left his family is telling a story to the other guy, to his new friend, and he's telling the story of his father, who also married out of love, but discussed the nudden with his father-in-law, and what he got was a sick woman that laid all her life in bed with sick feet. So it's an involved story.
Okay, good, Morty. You cleared it up for us. Good. So let's mein Vater, Sergio. I saw that you joined us today, Sergio.
I agree. It's a challenge to translate it. I will need.
Okay, Morty will help you. Okay, Morty will help you.
Mein Vater hat nicht gekannt mein Mammen Vater Hasene. My father did not know my mother before the Hasene.
The wedding.
The wedding.
The wedding. They oben Hasene gehabt, wie man pflegt Hasene oben bei Eden in kleine Städtler. They married as it was used to have weddings by Jews in the kleine, in the small towns.
Yes.
Weil die Mame haben sich ausgegeben zwischen sich im Norden. What? Morty, please help me.
Yeah, because father and mother solved among themselves regarding the dowry.
Dowry. Dote, no? Norden.
Dote, sí.
Yeah.
Dote es.
Dowry. Dote in Spanish. Schofar der Hupe hat mein Seide gewollt heimschleppen dem Hussen mein Taten. Where we are?
Sure, yeah.
1 hour before the wedding, my grandfather wanted to take home the Hussen, in English Hussen.
My father, the groom.
The groom.
My father.
My father, the groom.
Yeah. This is why der Vater was zum Norden, welchen mein Mames Vater hat zugesagt, hat gefällt 20 Rubel. It means that
their father is because.
Yes, but because for the dowry, for whom my mother's father had given a promise for 20 rubles.
No,
Had
20
gefehlt.
rubles are missing.
It's
Had
missing.
gefehlt 20 Rubel.
Was missing 20 rubles.
Yeah, he
from
was
that
short
amount he
20
promised.
rubles.
From the total amount
Yeah.
that he promised.
Yes.
Okay. For the 20 Rubel hat man gewollt, what do you say?
Them.
Them. For the 20 Rubel hat man gewollt, dem Schiedach ablösen und ich wollte nur nicht gekommen auf der Welt. For that, I think 20 ruble, they wanted to cancel, no?
Yes.
The wedding, due to what I would never do this work.
I wouldn't be born.
To the world. Als zu live 20 ruble. All this because the 20 rubles. Dacht sich, was kann sein für ein Leben zwischen ein Volk, was hat sich keinmal nicht gekannt. You may guess what kind of life between the couple was that never they met before.
Good.
Nur oben Hasene gehabt, weil mein Seide, mein Tates Vater, hat zugelegt die 20 Rubel zum Norden. Then finally the wedding happens because the fathers of her father,
the father of the mother,
the father of the mother,
added that 20 rubles.
Yes.
The Norden. Was für Zusammenleben, was für Zusammenleben, was für Beschutef.
Ja, beschutfedig.
Beschutfedig kann sein zwischen solche zwei Menschen. Morty, ¿me ayudas?
Bus
This last
para
sentence.
what kind of a life together? What kind of a partnership can be between two people of this type?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sergio.
Thank you.
Okay. Hilda, can you continue? But before we continue, any questions? Any?
I have a question.
Okay, Marsha.
The last word in the paragraph, is that dich?
Und doch.
And what is that dot at the end?
It's not a die, it's a half sofit.
Okay.
It's a half sofit. It's a
lange half.
Lange half. Und doch,
and so.
Even so.
And even so. Oh, doch is a very problematic word in any language. So, yeah. So, and it's very difficult to. I could
and
never
yet.
use it in German because.
And yet.
And yet, that's the best
And
one.
yet,
Yeah, and yet.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, Mariv.
So that got confused. They were arguing over the 20 rubles. Did it actually get paid or not?
Yeah, he said that
Yes.
the father of the mother finally gave the 20 rubles that was missing.
So they settled it, but still that was a very bad start for a wedding, is what he's saying.
But he says, what can a life together come out of something like this? And yet,
where there was so much arguing at the wedding.
but no, it probably, that it was okay. Probably they lived together okay. We will see it later. Because he said, und doch, and yet.
Yeah.
Barbara?
Barbara's
You are
muted.
muted. Unmute yourself, please.
Sorry. So the Hebrew word, fustikes.
Yeah.
Could you please tell me better the Hebrew, the meaning of the Hebrew there?
Shutfut is togetherness.
Partnership.
Partnership.
Oh, okay, partnership. I wasn't catching it all. Thank you.
From the word shitvis.
Shutfus. Okay, so Hilda, please go on.
Aval, is it? Avad?
Avoch.
Oh, avoch noch mein Tate Mames Chassene hat sich herausgewiesen als das Weibel ist a Kranke. Man hat mein Tates man hat mein Tates abgenagt.
Okay, so translate this because otherwise the sentences get too long.
Yes, I'm sorry. A week after my mother and father's wedding, it appeared that the little wife was a sick woman.
Yes.
My father had been fooled.
Yes.
My Mame is a hell ganz Leben is a hair, no, not a hair, eel. Yeah, different spelling. My mother had for her whole life abgelegen in bed, had spent her whole life in bed. Mein Seide, my grandfather, mein Vatter's
no, Futter's
Yeah,
Futter. Yeah, is it my grandfather's grandfather? No.
My father's father.
Oh, my father's father is gekommen zu
Fuhren.
Oh, he's gekommen zu Fuhren.
Yeah,
My
just
father's
ignore the
father.
hay. Right.
Okay, my father's father came, traveled to us, was it?
Yeah.
Yes.
To try, probieren, wirken auf mein Mammen,
Taten.
auf mein Taten. He came to try to
Convince.
To convince my father, as soll sich getten, that he should get a divorce. Weil mein weil men hat, what is that? Yeah, the little marker is aheim.
Im.
Men hat him abgenagt because they had fooled him.
Right.
Yes.
Mein Vater hat aber geentfert, my uncle, no.
My father.
My father, however, answered, as noch der Chasene, that after the wedding, is es schön sein. Mazel. As is, I don't get that.
Sein Goyl.
Sein Goyl.
Sein Goyl is his fate.
Fate.
Oh, it was his fate.
Right.
Yeah, that after the wedding, it's already his luck and it is
His
fate.
luck and his fate.
Okay.
Okay, so just a moment, just a moment.
What is, sorry, what is Gorel?
Goyl is fate.
Okay. Okay, I'll stop there. for a minute.
Just a moment, Morty, yeah?
Yes, sorry. This has to do with the last word in the last paragraph, and it's maybe my somewhat lack of Hebrew, but the half in Hebrew, when it has the dot, is like a K sound. Why is it, if it's doch, why is the dot in there? Shouldn't it be without the dot?
It should be without the dot, in Hebrew at least.
Yeah.
Rafael, you have an answer?
Yeah, again, this is older orthography, and you'll often find that a final chaf gets a dot. One thing is that it does show you that it's not a daled, which is helpful because it looks very similar. The descender doesn't go very deep below the line, but it's just the standard orthography of that time.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Elaine, yeah?
I didn't get the meaning of the word Goral at the end.
Fate.
Destiny.
It's his, so it's his luck and his fate.
His
Yeah,
fate.
his fate,
Right.
his destiny.
Now that he's married, her fate is his fate.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's accepting it, you know. Okay, thank you, Hilda. And I think we will finish with Morty because I want to finish the paragraph. So, Morty.
Okay. Und nicht nur hat mein Vater geduldig getrogen sein Geurl, nicht nur ist mein Vater getreu geblieben, mein Mutter sein ganz Leben. Okay, I will translate.
Yeah, because.
Yeah. And not only did my father patiently carried his destiny, not only did my father in good mood stay with my mother his whole life, wie ein jüdischer Mann kann nur sein getreu sein Weib, in the way a Jewish man can be gentle with his wife, nor is gewein verliebt in mein Mammen, but he was also in love with my mother, in sein kranken Weib, in his sick wife, welche hat keinmal nicht gesehen an ungeteinen Gehend,
Gehendicke.
Gehendicke, lachende, which he never saw as a as a dressed up, as a dressed, a walking, a laughing one. Es hat mich ständig geriert, wenn ich hab gesehen, wie mein Tate pflegt zugehen zu mein Mammes Bett. It always touched me when I saw my father go to my mother's bed. Before hat verlost die Huis. Morgens.
It's
In
English.
Siegfrieden
Before.
It's
says
English.
Before he left the house.
That I didn't catch. Okay. Zärtlichkeit.
In the morning.
Morgens.
Morning.
Morning. No, before then. I didn't translate the part before.
Sorry.
Yeah. Like when he used to go to my mother's bed before he verlost the Häusen.
No,
No,
left
the
the
Hoys.
house.
Before he left. Before he left.
Oh, the
house
Hoys.
in the morning.
Before he left the house.
Yeah,
in
not
the morning.
Oisen.
For some reason.
Yeah.
In the mornings, and asked her very nicely, Surale, Wilstepes, Surale, do you want something? Oder pflegt sich aufhaben frühmorgens, machen flink der Oven, gedei upzukochen, a bissele warms for mein Mammen. Or he used to wake up very early in the morning to start up the oven in order to cook a little bit of dinner for my mother. Aheim gekommen in Abner
Abend.
Amider, in Abend Amider, coming back in the afternoon, in the evening, a tired man, von a ganzen Tag herumlaufen in Mark, from a whole day running around in the market. It is given a Meckler by the Poyern. He was a salesman among the peasants. Hat früher nicht gewollt essen, bis man hat zugeregt dem Tisch zu der Mammes Bett. He didn't want to eat before the table was moved to the bed of my mother. Hat sich gesetzt auf dem Rand vom Bett. He would sit on the end of the bed. In die Mamme hat gemisst mitessen beim Tisch. And the mother had to finish eating by the table.
Okay, thank you, Morty. We will stop here and continue it next week and probably also the week afterwards, after this, because it's a long one. And I see, Zuli, you have a question or anything to add?
I wanted to get the meaning of getrai at the beginning. Can you go up?
Getrai means a warm, kind person.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't it? Is it not devoted?
Loyal,
Devoted, loyal.
Devoted.
Isn't it loyal?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, yeah.
Loyal, devoted, yes, yeah. All
I
of
don't,
this.
I don't understand the end. The father sat at the bed and the mother at the town. I'm not sure.
No, he brought the table
Okay,
to
Morty,
next
only
to the
Morty.
bed. Yeah.
Oh,
He pushed the table
oh,
next to the bed so
oh,
he
I
could eat
see.
with the mother.
How sweet. But you know, she might have lied in bed all that time, but she had a child. Right?
He got
Well,
into bed with her.
it
That's
starts
what
there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
happened with
But I
her.
mean, she was strong enough to have a baby. She was strong enough to have, we think. I mean, yeah.
Oh, no, she could have had a terrible disease. I mean,
Yeah.
there are terrible diseases that people,
Yes,
they
sure.
linger and they linger and they
Yeah,
suffer and
right,
they may or
right.
may not have a kid, but there are
Right.
so many
Well,
awful diseases.
They
Anyway, you
mentioned that the
don't.
problem, apparently the
Sorry?
problem was with her legs,
Yeah.
Yes.
So she
and
didn't
that's why she
need.
couldn't get up.
Yeah. So she didn't need to walk in order to have children. So
Right.
she can do it without.
She could stay in bed all day and
She
night.
can stay in
She had
bed.
strength, but she had strength for that.
But
She
it's true, there are chronic diseases that
had- sure.
people
Mhm.
suffer
Yeah.
from.
Right.
Nina,
But
Yes,
this
Elton.
shows the devotion and the love that
Yes.
he had for
Right.
this wife.
Okay, so we have something for Valentine. Okay.
I think
Yes,
Sergio
Let that
wants
be
to
a
say
lesson
something.
to you.
yes.
I
Okay.
saw opened instead opened.
Abend, it's German.
It's more
evening.
German than Yiddish.
But with a bet is instead a waf, totally different.
Yeah, but that's
No?
because it's German.
Opened
It's
is
German.
Litvish, Polish. What is?
No.
Usually, opened is ale waf, nun.
Yeah, but
Uh,
that's it's the Deutschmerisch writing. That's the Deutschmerisch of the time. So that's why it's like this.
It sounds the same, but totally different.
It's written different. A lot of the words here are written differently. So because of it.
Okay.
I may say something. I would think that Liebe hat gekommen noch, wenn man hat gehatet, weil a lot of them didn't even see each other until under the chuppah.
Yeah,
So how
That's
could
what
you
he
say-
said.
Yeah,
That's what he
he's
said.
saying.
They didn't see each other before the chasna.
Right.
And
My
still,
Zadie, I heard my Zadie stole a look at my Bubby's face. He sneaked and stole a look at her face before they got married. And oh, did he love her? That was such a love. My parents didn't love each other. They respected each other, but I never saw any sign of affection between them. But my Bubby and Zadie he was very loving. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. There were love affairs like this, after they got married. Luisa?
Yeah, I wanted to comment on the part where the writer chooses first to talk about Zain Mazel and then Zain Goral, because there is a difference in meaning there, in the sense that Mazal, in this case, the Mazel, is something that could have